Hello and welcome to my channel Industry Trends. My name is Prashant Nagar and I am training development consultant. This video is on the automobile business trends post-COVID in India. This video is meant for all automobile enthusiasts. Friends, as you all know that Indian automobile industry for quite some time now in India has been going through turbulence. Challenges have come in the form of government regulations, emission norms and push to EVs. And last but not the least, the pandemic has further added to already existing difficulties. But friends, let's not forget the fact that out of every turbulence emerges an opportunity. This short video gives us an analysis and tries to showcase how the automobile industry is going to take shape in near future. Come, let's share some takeaways from this video. For riders and commuters, safety, security and hygiene will be top priority after COVID. Along with personal mobility, focus would be on traveling with high hygiene standards. Stressed out economies worldwide may consider to postpone plans for pushing electrical vehicles. Public transport in post-COVID scenario may get a boost like the buses, metros, cab aggregator companies and so on and so forth. Clean and safe public transport will be top priority. There's already a lot of research happening in areas of robotics, artificial intelligence and augmented reality. Innovations and new designs and dependence on smart technologies will completely transform and revolutionize the shop floors. What we are also witnessing right now is the right sizing or downsizing of manpower that will lead to unemployment, but at the same time, their training, upskilling and reskilling will be of importance and add tremendous value. There will be rise in people, manpower investment in terms of health, hygiene, operating environments by the large auto manufacturers, OEMs, but also small component manufacturing companies. Rather than focusing on showroom layout and designs and fancy furniture, automakers have to divert attention more to creating new experiences for the customer. Domestic sourcing of products and components will be the need of the hour, rather than focusing on imports from countries like China. Not sales but brand will be the norm. Brand management initiations will focus more on products relevant to the customer and local tastes and preferences. So friends, going forward, the new plan has to adopt a fresh approach post-COVID in terms of sales, vehicle penetration, revenue generation, employment and contribution to GDP of the country. Automobile industry also has to be future ready and for any contingency, emergency, calamities or pandemics like scenario which we are facing right now. Adaptability to change in terms of government regulations also would be necessary. Finally, all OEMs, ancillary component manufacturing companies, network partners, technology suppliers all have to come together on a large platform to support each other and work as a cohesive unit. If we do not come together and unite, then results can be unfavorable for the industry. This video analysis of the auto industry comes to you on the basis of the report published recently in ET Auto during the outbreak of the pandemic. Friends, do watch the entire video and feel free to share your valued suggestions. Looking forward to connect with you soon with another industry analysis video. Thank you.